Push on there. Hope you see it. That's what helps you to pop the top. Clips on each side, mash in on, pop the top. Then we got 2-wire lid switch. Door switch. Let's see. Be alright if we could find a couple more, Mr. Lincoln. Now look at this. This is supposed to be snapped in place. There's supposed to be 2 of these in here. Now to get the belt off, push that over. Now we can get the drum out. Do this, but there's some catastrophic failure going on back there. See how that drum dropped down? Somebody have taken and bypassed the fuse. This has come off and it's slapped around. We got that back on. Nice. So next thing we're gonna do is clean her up, JW. Clean her up. That means you want to check each component to make sure that everything's kosher. Is the control thermostat. This cuts on and off the entire time the dryer is running. It's catching the hot air coming out the dryer that's being blown out the back, and when it gets warm enough, which is usually around 160 degrees, it says it right on the top there. It says L132, which means it's about 132 degrees Fahrenheit is what that dude shuts off, plus or minus 10 F. Now, okay, this is not a fancy thermostat. It's just the control that turns the heat on when it needs to be heat in there. Okay. Now, this here thing right here, this little disc, upper right hand corner, this little disc right here, this is the fuse. As you'll notice, it's tied in to this gray wire some kind of way, I guess. Anyway, this is the fuse, and it kills the power to the motor. This is going to be award-winning. That's working. Why do I know it's working? Because it's beeping. If it beeps, it's good. If it don't beep, there's a problem. Start off by attaching those 2 front ones, and then bend these little tabs. Once you get these 2, we'll put go up here to 12 o'clock, and then put one right here. And go right here. This is a whole lot cheaper than paying $100 for one of these fans. This little replacement element is like on eBay $20, maybe less. Things won't slide out, so when I plug it back in, I got them all hooked up and no gaps. No runs, no drips, no errors. Now all we got to do is stick it back on the dryer.